Hello students. In the continuation of the last lecture, we have discussed about the chemoselectivity little bit. Today we will also discuss the chemoselectivity of guideline second or third. So in the example of third, if one function group can react twice, then the product of the first reaction will compete with the reagent. So the reaction will stop cleanly after one reaction only if the starting material is more reactive than the product. So first of all, in the formation of the thiol synthesis, the alkyl bromide react with the Na2S or NaSH, then the anion is formed, and then this anion again react with the alkyl bromide, then sulfide will be formed. So in this mechanism, this reaction cannot stop after alkylation with the NaSH or Na2S. The anion of the first product is at least as nucleophilic as HS minus S2 minus. So NaHS gives the thiol, but this is in equilibrium with the RS minus, then again second displacement gives the sulfides. Okay, and the guideline third. So this is the problem. So what is the solution? The solution of the guideline first and second may be solved by the protecting group. If we want to react less reactive of the two function group, we protect the more reactive. हमें यदि दो फंक्शन ग्रुप है, एक ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव है एक कम रिएक्टिव है, तो हमें यदि कम रिएक्टिव साइड पर रिएक्शन करवानी है तो हमें ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव साइड को प्रोटेक्टिंग ग्रुप से प्रोटेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. सो इस मैकेनिज़्म में, इस सिंथेसिस में दो स्टेप एक्स्ट्रा ऐड हो जाता है. ठीक है. और इफ़ वी वांट ए रिएजेंट टू रिएक्ट वंस, देन वी प्रोटेक्ट द रिएजेंट. मतलब एक जो रिएजेंट है केवल एक ही बार रिएक्ट करे, उसके लिए भी हमें प्रोटेक्टिंग ग्रुप का यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. सो हियर आई हैव टेकन एन एग्जाम्पल दैट इज़ द एमिनो एसिड केमिस्ट्री. ठीक है. सो दिस इज़ द एमिनो एसिड, and in the amino acid there is one NH2 group and other is COOH group. The amine group is more nucleophilic than the carboxylic group. So if we want to use the carboxylic group as nucleophile, we must protect the amino group, right? So here benzyl chloroformate is the protecting group, and that protecting group acylates the amino group to give the carbamate. ठीक है. And the nitrogen in this carbamate, the nitrogen atom in the carbamate is much less nucleophilic because of the conjugation. Because nitrogen पे जो lone pair of electron है, that is moves to CO, that is moved to this carbon nitrogen bond, and this CO pi bond goes to oxygen atom. So there is a conjugation. So the nucleophilic nature of the nitrogen is reduced. So the anion of the carbamate will now react at oxygen with the electrophile. In these and in this example, if you compare this benzyl carbamate and this carbamate and phosgene, this benzyl carbamate, first I will tell you that benzyl chloroformate, how it formed. So it is formed when we talk about the analysis of the benzyl chloroformate, there is CO disconnection. CO group and oxygen atom will disconnect here. Then phosgene and benzyl alcohol are the reliable reagents, because this reaction is formed easily. So in the phosgene, benzyl chloroformate and carbamate, if we compare these three compounds, we'll see that the carbonyl group becomes less and less electrophilic in the carbamate. Now how will how will us how will we synthesize the thiol? So here we'll use the thiourea, because in presence of NaSH and Na2S, you have seen that there is a formation of sulfides. Here in the presence of thiourea, the lone pair of nitrogen atom goes to the this sigma bond, and that pi bond attack to the alkyl group. Thiourea is itself highly delocalized, but it is still a good nucleophile for the saturated carbon through the sulfur bond. The product is thiourea salt, and it is not the nucleophilic at all, right? So after the hydrolysis with the aqueous base, that liberates the urea and thiol. So this is the formation of thiol. Thank you.